Welcome to Best Choice. The best cat milk is probably one of the most debated topics among cat owners, with many wondering if their feline friends truly need or benefit from it. While traditional cow's milk can cause digestive upset in many cats due to lactose intolerance, specialized cat milk formulas offer a safe and palatable alternative, providing essential nutrients and hydration without the gastrointestinal distress. This review will delve into the world of adult cat milk, exploring its benefits, potential drawbacks, and helping you determine if it's the right addition to your beloved companion's diet, ensuring they receive optimal nutrition and enjoyment in every sip. Number 5. Vetericyn Plus Cat Wound Care Spray. Introducing Vetericyn Plus Cat Wound Care Spray, your go-to solution for feline healing. This powerful spray aids in skin repair for wounds, sores, and abrasions, providing much-needed itch relief. Keep this essential first aid spray on hand for all your feline companions. It effectively flushes and decontaminates wounds, cuts, and irritations, ensuring prompt recovery. Our advanced formula is safe for cats of all ages and life stages. Its non-toxic, pH-balanced technology means it's safe even if ingested. Support your cat's wound healing with a veterinarian-recommended alternative. It offers an anxiety-free and cost-effective option compared to traditional ointments. Rely on Vetericyn, a leader in animal health, to provide the best care for your pet. We are dedicated to helping you keep your cat healthy and happy. What we like. This product is a fantastic healing aid for wounds and skin irritations. It's veterinarian-recommended and safe even if ingested. If your cat has cuts, scrapes, or irritated skin, you should consider this for quick and effective relief. What people say. My cat had a hot spot that looked awful. I sprayed this on her hot spot 3xs a day and her hot spot cleared right up. Does seem to help with various issues like minor scrapes, irritations, bug bites, etc. No apparent bad reactions or aversion to feel or smell of product. This works great and fast too. My cat had scans on her neck from scratching. She had them for weeks and they weren't getting better. She'd scratch them and they'd come back. I applied this a couple of times and it worked really fast. All her neck scabs are gone and healed. Number 4. PetLac Kitten Milk Replacement Powder. Give your newborn kittens the best start with this complete milk replacement. It's specially formulated for their proper growth and development from birth to 6 weeks. This formula is perfect for orphaned, rejected, or nursing kittens. It provides essential vitamins, minerals, and amino acids for their well-being. It's not just for the little ones. This provides extra nutrition for thin or older cats needing a boost. Highly palatable and easy to digest, this formula includes prebiotics and probiotics. This supports improved gut health for your feline friends. Mixing is simple, just combine 1 tablespoon of powder with 2 tablespoons of warm water. Open powder can be refrigerated for up to 3 months or frozen for up to 6 months. From a trusted leader in pet wellness, this science-backed formula helps enhance your pet's life. We aim for more healthy years together. What we like. This is a complete and balanced nutrition source for young kittens. It's easy to digest thanks to added prebiotics and probiotics. If you have orphaned, rejected, or weaning kittens needing supplemental nutrition, this is a great choice. What people say. He loves it and in 2 weeks he's grown so much. I mix it in with his wet food so it's runny and he absolutely loves it. This is the best product for neonatal kittens. They don't get stomach upset, and they readily accept it nursing. Perfect formula. I always need a can on hand for feral cat population. Number 3. Whiskas Catmilk Plus Drink. Introducing Whiskas Catmilk Plus, a delicious and nutritious drink for your feline friends. It's specially formulated for cats and kittens of all ages. Our milk is easy to digest, with 98% less lactose, making it ideal for sensitive stomachs. It's packed with the protein your cat needs to thrive. Enriched with vital nutrients like calcium and crude protein, this drink supports your cat's overall health. It provides the building blocks for a strong and active life. Naturally high in calcium, Whiskas Catmilk Plus promotes the development of healthy teeth and strong bones. Give your cat the support they need for a long and happy life. With a real milk flavor that cats adore, this drink is a guaranteed hit. Even the pickiest eaters will love this irresistible treat. What we like. This drink offers a protein-rich milk option with 98% reduced lactose, making it easy to digest. It's enriched with essential nutrients like calcium. If your cat enjoys the taste of milk but has a sensitive stomach, this is the perfect treat. What people say. The sick cats will break both their appetite within less than 1 day. It has all the lactose taken out and it's low butterfat, so it doesn't cause the diarrhea that regular cow's milk can. It has additives he needs, like taurine and other good cat stuff. Number 2. Delectables Lickable Treat Bisque Chicken and Duck Cat Treat. Introducing a delightful lickable treat that your cat will adore. It's a perfect way to add some excitement to their mealtime or offer a special reward. You can use it as a tempting food topper for picky eaters, serve it on its own as a quick snack, or use it as a special reward during bonding time. Crafted with high-quality proteins, this treat is made with premium ingredients to support your cat's overall health and happiness. It delivers up to 90% moisture, helping to increase your cat's daily water intake. This is essential for supporting their feline health. You can feel good about giving this treat because it's grain-free and contains no added fillers, byproducts, or preservatives. This recipe is made without any fish or seafood ingredients. It's the perfect choice for cats who have sensitivities or allergies to seafood. What we like. This is a hydrating, lickable treat that can be used as a topper or a standalone reward. It's made with high-quality proteins and is free from grains, fillers, and byproducts. If you're looking for a healthy, non-seafood option to boost your cat's water intake or entice a picky eater, this is ideal. What people say. My cat loves these. She's the pickiest eater and won't touch any wet food. With hydration being so important, I feel like I've tried it all and donated it all to a local shelter after she wouldn't touch it. But these she loves. My cat is so picky and now only wants the liquid food and will only eat these delectable broth and bisque packages. The cat has consistently eaten this over anything else I give him. He is good about eating his kibble, but he's fussy about treats. It looks and smells like the baby food you might give your child. Number 1. PetLac KMR Kitten Milk Replacer Liquid. Introducing KMR Kitten Milk Replacer, the scientifically formulated solution when mother's milk isn't available. It provides essential nutrition for kittens from birth to 6 weeks old. Our formula closely mimics mother's milk with the right balance of protein, fat, and carbohydrates. It's fortified with vitamins, minerals, and trace nutrients to support healthy immunity and digestion. This highly palatable formula is designed for easy digestion. It contains a special fiber blend to promote gut health, ensuring your little ones are comfortable. Our ready-to-feed liquid formula is simple to use. Just shake gently, warm to room or body temperature, and serve. Remember to refrigerate open containers and discard after 72 hours. PetLac is dedicated to enriching the lives of animals and their caregivers. We offer science-backed, high-quality nutritional supplements and products you can trust. What we like. This ready-to-feed liquid formula is scientifically formulated to be the closest to mother's milk for kittens. It provides complete nutrition and is easy to digest with a special fiber blend. If you need a convenient and highly nutritious option for newborn kittens when mom isn't available, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It offers high-quality nutrition in a very convenient form. This was the only one he didn't have a reaction to. Babies love it and it is packed with the vitamins they need. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.